This is a video inspection of the Star SR32J. We have both the main and the sub spindle going. Oh, we're moving axes first. The main gang slide. Okay. And the sub spindle.
Okay, main spindle. Overturn that head, bro. Pull it back in there. Okay, now over here to our back spindle.
What are we doing?
Back spindle. And I can start them back up too.
Okay.
There we go.
Main
There
spindle.
We can move RMG.
Very good.
Sub spindles on.
So we'll come back over and we have the sub spindle and the main going. You can see the guide bushing. And light pulls.
I don't know if I've given that command yet, so you may...
This is the live cross tools at how fast?
1,000
At 1,000 RPM. And we're going to pause again. The serial number on this machine is 145. It was new in 2005. It has a Fanuc Series 18 ITB control with an attached exterior light, parts catcher, parts conveyor. It has an L&S Express 332 bar feed and a chip conveyor. This concludes our video of the Star SR32J CNC Swiss lathe.